Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of technology and dive into the exciting field of artificial intelligence AI. In this video, we will explain how you can leverage AI to make money and explore the immense opportunities that lie ahead. Join us on this journey into the future of AI and discover how it can become your ultimate money-making tool. Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for an innovative way to make money? Well, today we have an exciting topic to share with you. We all be exploring the future of artificial intelligence and how it can help you to earn money. So let's dive right in. Understanding AI monetization. Before we explore how to make money with AI, let's first understand what AI monetization means. AI monetization refers to the process of driving financial values from AI-driven products, services, or technologies. By leveraging AI technology effectively, individuals and businesses can generate income through innovative and profitable strategies. AI for businesses. One of the most prominent ways to make money with AI is by implementing it in business operations. Organizations around the globe are utilizing AI-powered systems to automate repetitive tasks, enhance productivity, and streamline workflows. From customer support chatbot to predictive type analytics, AI can significantly improve business efficiency, leading to cost saving and increased profitability. AI in e-commerce. The e-commerce industry, which has experienced exponential growth in recent years, greatly benefits from AI. With AI-powered recommendation systems, business can offer personalized product suggestions, increasing customer engagement and driving sales. Moreover, AI can help analyze customer behavior and preferences, enabling business to optimize their marketing strategies and boost revenue. AI in freelancing and gig economy. The rise of the gig economy and remote work opportunity has opened new doors for individuals. To monetize their skills using AI, freelancer can leverage AI tool to automate repetitive tasks, manage finances, and find potential clients. AI-powered platform can match freelancer with suitable project, broadening their earning potential and creating new income streams. AI in content creation. Content creation is another area that AI is transforming. With language generation models and automated video editing tools, AI can assist in creating written articles, video, and even podcasts. Companies are utilizing AI to produce personalized, engaging content at scale, saving time and resources. Content creators can tap into their technology to increase their efficiency, attract a wider audience, and ultimately monetize their content more effectively. And that brings us to the end of this video about making money with AI. The rapid advancement in artificial intelligence offers countless opportunities for individuals and businesses to thrive in this digital era. Whether you are exploring AI for your businesses or seeking new income streams, embracing AI can certainly give you a competitive advantage. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on technology and its impact on your life. Stay tuned for our next video, whether we delve deeper into the fascinating world of AI. Thanks for watching.